Hey everyone! Welcome back to the i4 Interior Design channel. You know, Chip and I, we've designed a lot of homes over the years. And one thing we've learned along the way is that everyone deserves a space that feels uniquely their own. But let's be honest, not everyone has the time or budget to hire a professional designer. That's why today we're excited to share some of our favorite AI tools that make interior design accessible to everyone. These tools are like having a virtual design assistant right at your fingertips, ready to help you create a home you'll truly love. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to refresh a room, these AI tools can make the entire design process a whole lot easier and a whole lot more fun. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Planner 5D. Now, this tool is truly a game changer, especially if you're just starting out with interior design. What I love about Planner 5D is how easy it is to use. You can create detailed floor plans in 2D and then with a click of a button see your entire design come to life in stunning 3D. And don't even get me started on their library of furniture and decor. They have everything you could possibly imagine, from sleek modern sofas to rustic farmhouse tables. It's like having a virtual showroom right at your fingertips. And the best part? Planner 5D lets you experiment with different layouts and styles without having to move a single piece of furniture in real life. Next, we have RoomStyler 3D Home Planner. This tool is all about visualizing your dream home with incredible detail and ease. Imagine being able to swap out paint colors with a single click or effortlessly rearrange furniture to find the perfect layout. Well, with RoomStyler you can do just that. Their drag and drop interface is so intuitive it feels like you're playing a fun design game, and their 3D rendering is so realistic you'll feel like you're walking through your future home. Seriously, this tool takes all the guesswork out of interior design and lets you design with confidence. Now, if you're looking for a tool that offers both powerful design features and a supportive community, then you have to check out HomeStyler. This intuitive platform gives you all the tools you need to create stunning three-dimensional designs, complete with realistic lighting and textures. But what really sets HomeStyler apart is its amazing community of design enthusiasts. You can share your designs with the world, get feedback from fellow design lovers, and even draw inspiration from thousands of incredible projects. It's like having a global design workshop right at your fingertips. Plus, HomeStyler partners with real brands, so you can easily find and incorporate the perfect pieces into your virtual design. Now, for those of you who are a little more comfortable with design software and want a tool that can handle even the most complex projects, let me introduce you to SketchUp. This powerful software is a favorite among architects and interior designers, but don't let that intimidate you. SketchUp offers a user-friendly interface and plenty of resources to help you get started, even if you're a complete beginner. From creating detailed floor plans to building intricate three-dimensional models, SketchUp gives you the freedom to design without limits. You can even import real-life products into your designs, ensuring that every detail is absolutely perfect. It's a bit more robust than some of the other tools on our list, but trust me, the learning curve is well worth it. Last but not least, we have Houzz. Now, Houzz is more than just a design tool. It's an entire platform dedicated to all things home. But today, we're focusing on its incredible AI-powered design features. Imagine snapping a photo of your living room and instantly seeing how that gorgeous new sofa from your favorite online store would look in your space. Well, with Houzz's View in My Room 3D feature, you can do just that. And it's not just furniture. You can try out different paint colors, experiment with rug placements, and even see how different lighting fixtures will transform the ambience of your room. Houzz takes all the guesswork out of online shopping and gives you the confidence to make design decisions you'll love. Well, there you have it, folks, our top 5 AI tools that can help you design a home you absolutely love. No matter your skill level or budget, there's a tool out there that's perfect for you. We hope this video has inspired you to start designing your dream home today. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you, your story, and everything you love. So don't be afraid to let your creativity shine through. Experiment with different styles and have fun with the process. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be featuring your beautifully designed home right here on our channel.